Good morning, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Today on this video I am showing you how to put a mortar mix on. As you can see, I'm looking around for something. Whatever I put down I cannot find, honestly. It takes me ages. But yeah, if you like this video or you want to get more tips or you just like our little Yorkshire accent, give us a follow. We do daily vlogs, or every other day sometimes. I do squeeze them in, but it's just projects on what we're doing and how we're doing it, and I talk you through stuff, and you just get our Yorkshire wit, our humour, and I'm just down to earth. So if you'd like to give us a follow and press that notification button, I would really appreciate it. Thank you. So as you can see here, we are putting mounded shovels into the mixer. So what I do tend to do is mix at a 5-to-1 ratio. So we put 5 mounded shovels of sharp sand. No, this will be soft yellow sand. This. Put 5 mounded shovels of soft yellow sand in. There's already water in the mixer quite a lot, but you tend to find that this sand does obviously soak up. It's summer, so the sand is dry. It does soak up so much water. Now this customer doesn't have an external tap, so we filled up a wheelie bin downside the house, and it's just too heavy to move. I filled it up, never thought, oh my god, it's going to weigh like half a ton or whatever. So we're using buckets to get from there to put it in. So what we do with our cement is we get a full bag, we chop it in half, and we put all that in now, which after putting that little bit of water in, dries it up again. But what we do tend to find is, like I say, it's a 5-to-1. You find that you get 4 good shovelfuls of cement out of one bag. So chop it in half, really putting 2 mixes in the mixer. As you can see, I'm just adding more water and it's splashing about. Trying to peer around just before it splashes. Every time you put your head near the mixer, you can guarantee it's going to smack you in the face every time. So as you can see there, it is wet, so I'm letting that mix a bit, and now I'm going to put another 5 shovelfuls into the mixer. And off I go again, searching for more water throughout the wheelie bin. So the ideal situation is obviously with a hose pipe, because you can proper get into back and shove your hose pipe in when it's stuck at back. But this, you've got to wait for it to all work its way through and mix it off at back and stuff like that. But yeah, it's amazing how much water you do actually use. Obviously, when you're on a hose, you're just pressing it, fire a little bit, fire a little bit, fire a little bit. Whereas this, you're like 3 or 4 buckets in. You do actually use quite a lot. Now while that's slopping about a bit and mixing in, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about our story. So we're known as the Yorkshire Landscaper. We are garden revamps from Leeds. Obviously we serve most of Yorkshire, and we do daily vlogs on here just to get it going and just share this journey sort of thing. We are trying to build and get more men in. If anyone knows my story, I have got a bad back, so more men is essential for us at the minute. Just popping my head in again just to double check it. But yeah, this is me, 40-year-old man. Done landscaping since I was 16. and your back does take a battering. And this year, I've got a problem with the bottom of my spine at some point, and it is, yeah, chiropractor once a month. Every so often it goes chiropractor 3 times a week, and at £45 for 15 minutes, quite a lot of money. So my advice is look after your back, guys. Look after your back. And here it is, guys. Not too wet, not too dry. It's mixed all the way through to the back. As I always do it, as it's rolling over like that, then that's sort of perfect. So we tend to do a 50mm bed of mortar. If it's any lower, get it wetter. If it's any higher, have it a little bit so it holds it more, so it's a little bit drier, and it should fall out perfectly. Let's see how this goes. Yeah, all comes together nice there in the wheelbarrow. But that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Give us a like, a subscribe, and comment if you've got anything to say. It helps some videos. And there's a little bit of sand there, look. I'm not too happy with that little bit of sand. But once again, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.